Hello, my name is Lucia Sanchez. I'm a sophomore here at UK, and today I'll be showing you my townhome. So when you first walk in, you'll see our living room where all me and my roommates hang out with all of our friends. I have these two chairs I just got at Walmart. They were only $100 for two chairs, so go to Walmart for all your interior design needs. So that way we can have more of a community feel when we're all sitting together and hanging out. A lot of this artwork I've collected from some friends. I've made some of it myself. And I just kind of made up a collage wall to make the space feel more warm. And then personally, I hate overhead lighting, so what I decided to do is get these nice outdoor white lights and string them across the living room area to kind of give more of a homey vibe, make it more cozy. So this is our kitchen, which is very spacious and nice, so me and my three other roommates can be in here cooking and doing our own thing whenever we like. Over here at the window, I have a little garden. Some of these are my roommate's plants. Mine is the basil. I bought it from Trader Joe's. So if you ever need to cook with fresh herbs, I highly recommend getting a little plant. The fridge, these are just an assortment of pictures from all different events from last year and over the summer with me and my three roommates and a bunch of my other friends. And my cousin's actually an artist, and he came to visit and drew this picture of me and my three roommates. And I actually have more of his art upstairs in my bedroom, which I'll get to show you in a little bit. This is my bedroom. The tapestry above my bed is what I was talking about downstairs. My cousin actually painted it. I commissioned him to do it. He's like a super talented artist. So follow at Cole Hirschman, Hirsch man, on Instagram if you want to commission him to do any work. He also does t-shirts, clothing, whatever. Shameless promotion. But yeah, so that's like my main centerpiece here. My bedding, I wanted to keep it kind of more of a 70s vibe. So I got this from Urban Outfitters. It was on sale, and I did two little bedside tables I got from my house, and those cute little velvet lamps I got from Target. They were only, I think, $10 each, so go to Target for cute lighting. As you can tell, I really am not a fan of overhead lighting, so I have a lot of different lamps and things to kind of make it more cozy and more homey of a space. So this collage wall is a little bit of a DIY and antique combination. So I actually got this mirror at an antique mall here in Lexington called Peddler's Mall. It is huge. If you need anything, you can find it there. Be prepared to go all day because you will get lost in there. And these three different canvases I actually painted as well, inspired by different prints I found online. And I actually made this little macrame wall hanging as well. And then under here I have a bookshelf with all kinds of jewelry and things in here and a little plant. So yeah. Perfect. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed getting to see what my townhome looks like. Bye!